Hi guys, it's Tammy Brown, your Pampered Chef consultant here. I'm coming to you today to show you how easy it is to use our hamburger and slider press. This side here is for sliders, and this side here is for hamburgers. And my grandson Braylon and Aiden are working with us today. So they are going to show you the steps of doing this. What's our first step, Aiden? Braylon?
You put the seasoning in it.
And we put the seasoning, and we could even use a little bit more than that. We put the seasoning on it so our burgers do not stick. Now he's using the large scoop. So he's got 3 scoops in there. You can see the scoops, how he did it. Now he's going to finish it off. And he's evenly pressing, and it really looks like he's pressing pretty hard. But honestly, I'd press one more time, bud. He's not pressing hard at all, are you, Braylon?
No.
Okay.
It's just a little...
It's your height. You got to bring your elbow up. Now, Aiden, it's your turn to finish it. We're going to take it out. Hold on. It's a soft bottom, isn't it, Aiden? Like a silicone. So Aiden is going to bring it out on the plate for us, guys. Oh, that patty did not work as good as it should have. So we are going to clean hands. Try again. I think you needed a little more meat, buddy, is where your mistake went in.
Yeah, you fill it a little bit more than I normally do.
Yeah. Okay, and you got to have a little more seasoning. Now we're going to let Braylon do this again.
Top of that.
Go ahead. Good question. I put it on the thing itself. Don't squeeze too hard or it will come apart when you do it, okay? Do it slowly. Flip it over. There we go. And now we have 4 hamburgers sitting here. There's little indents here so your hamburgers don't shrink on both sides. Isn't that amazing? And like I said, it's super easy to use, and I love it for the summertime. We grill out a lot, don't we?
Yeah, we do. Yeah.
Okay, well, have a great day, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Want to say bye?
Bye.